Hi friends, this video shows how to fix storage problem and free up space. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select the settings icon, select device preferences, go down, select storage, then select internal shared storage. You can see total space 5.2 GB. Select it, and here we can find how much space apps used. You can see 2.1 GB. Go down, then select cache data, select it, then select OK. With this single operation we would be able to clear cache of all apps in the device. So we don't need to clear cache one by one, just trigger clear cache here. So that way we would be able to clear cache of all apps in the device and free up space. So that way we would be able to fix storage problem. So please check it.